Hi friends, the topic is all pass filter. So that is all pass filter passes all frequencies components of the input signal without attenuation. Okay, that is the main important point of this. All pass filter passes all frequency components of the input signal without attenuation. That is noise. Okay, while providing predictable phase shift for different frequencies of the input signal. That is the main role of this importance. When the signals are transmitted over the transmission lines, such as telephone wires. So the type of response you may consider as phase. So it covers the entire signals from minimum to maximum. I mean sine, cos functions like that. Okay. So that is the main point. So that to compensate for these phase changes, there is a phase angle. So nothing but theta representation of this value. All pass filters are required. So all pass filter are also called as delay equalizer or phase corrector. Another name of this, phase corrector. That is the main role of all pass filter. So that's a simple circuit diagram for all pass filter is, take one operational amplifier, that is the negative and positive, take one input resistance, take feedback resistor, RF value and R1 value. Take one more variable resistor, capacitor that is connected to ground. This is a variable resistor and capacitor that will preferably 0.01 microfarad is preferable, that is connected to positive, where that input voltage is connected for both negative and positive terminal. Okay. Then the voltage drop across the 10 kilo ohm. Okay. The final expression for output value is 1 minus j 2 pi f RC by 1 plus j 2 pi f RC. It's the combination of both in and out phases here. Okay. In all pass filter, the output of the filter can be obtained by using that superposition theorem. So simply you can consider as this V0. This is actual V0 is equal to, in this value is minus input value, that is actual minus Vin plus, you have to calculate some voltage drop. This is actual representation of this value is Va something. Okay, so then you can calculate Va. Okay, combination of these two. Okay, now if you take both values are same, what is the meaning of this response is, this is inverting output voltage plus non-inverting output voltage. General non-inverting output value is minus Rf by R1 into Vin. Here both values are same, simply you can represent as minus Vn value, and this value is Va. Okay. Now how can you calculate Va value? Where Va is equal to voltage drop across. So in this condition that I, here some current is passing in this, I both are connected to ground. Okay. I into Xc. I is equal to Vin by Xr plus Xc into Xc value. Like that you can get the final value. So after substituting this, this is actually equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. Then the final value is V0 is equal to minus Vin into minus j Xc by R plus R minus j Xc into Vin of 2. What is meant by 2? That is 1 plus Rf into 2. That is the total function for non-inverting expression is, that is 1 plus Rf by R into Va, non-inverting value, where Va is equal to this. So if both values are same, that is 1 plus 1 value is 2. Like that you can consider this type of expression. This. Okay. So once again I am going to repeat this. Output voltage is equal to inverting voltage plus non-inverting voltage. Okay. Inverting voltage, so output voltage is inverting. Once again I am going to detail expression, that is non-inverting Okay, inverting value is minus RF by R1 into V in. This is actual input voltage plus non-inverting is 1 plus RF by R1 into this voltage is VA. That is the actual output voltage V0. This is actually equation number 1. Okay. In this expression, if you take RF is equal to R1 is equal to R, that is V0 is equal to minus V in. Both values are same. Then the value is this, where VA can be represented as minus JXC minus R minus JXC value into V in. So that function is substituted in this. Both values are same. That value is 2 into V in into minus JXC by R minus JXC value. Okay. The final expression for this V0 is equal to, here Vn is common, that is minus 1 plus 2 by J2 pi FRC plus 1. Okay. In this function, the final value is V0 by Vin is equal to minus J2 pi FRC plus 1 plus 2 by 1 plus J2 pi FRC value. Okay, in terms of this function. So what is the meaning of this expression is in term, if you take minus into minus value. So this value is minus. So simply I am going to write this value is minus J2 pi FRC minus 1 plus 2 by 1 plus J2 pi FRC. So simply that is minus 1 minus J2 pi FRC by 1 plus J2 pi FRC. That is the actual V0 by Vin. Okay. So based on this, you can calculate phase is equal to tan inverse of 2 pi FRC by real value is imaginary. Then you can get that continuous expression. Okay. This is actual all pass filter. Thank you.